In order to have licenses available in the pool, they need to be added into the console. So in this instance, if I expand Show All here, I can see that some of my products don't have any licenses associated to them. So how can we increase these volumes? So let's take example endpoint protection. Presently, I have 0 licenses available. Now, licenses are now supplied in the form of license keys. In order to obtain these, you need to place an order via one of our distribution partners. You will in turn receive an email, and that email will contain a license key that requires activation. But let's go through this as a process. You have a requirement for an endpoint protection 1-year license. Presently, in the partner center, you don't have any available. So you place the order and you receive the email that includes the activation key. So here's a typical example, an email from the order processing team including the license key that we're going to require activating. So let's take this license key. Now what you need to do is go to the activation portal. Go to watchguard.com, click on login and enter in your credentials. Now if you don't yet have a login, this is a requirement to set up prior to the activation process. If you haven't done this yet, speak to your account manager and they can assist with this. Click on login, click on support center. Now note within here, if you click on the My WatchGuard drop-down list, you can't manage endpoint protection. This is because we have not yet activated any licenses against this account. Under My WatchGuard, click on Activate Products, and here we need to put in the license key that was supplied in the email. Paste it in, click on Continue. Now if this is the first time you're accessing the system, you'll have 2 options. I have a WatchGuard account and need a Panda account. This is for those that have yet to create a Panda partner center or Panda end user. Or I have both WatchGuard and Panda accounts. As we already have a partner center available, and this would have been linked to your WatchGuard account via customer services if that was something that needed to be done beforehand, I'm going to select I have both a WatchGuard and a Panda account. I've already logged into my WatchGuard account and I already have a Panda account that this is linked to. On completion, you'll be confronted with the congratulations, your accounts are now connected. Click on Continue. Once completed, it will display an activation of license completion. Provide it with a name. I'm going to call this one Endpoint Protection 1 User 1 Year. Click on Next. Accept the EULA. Make sure to place it in the Europe cloud region if that's where you are based. Select other regions if that's where you're located. Confirm. Once the process is complete, you can then choose Activate Additional Licenses or click on Manage Your Panda product. By doing so, it will take you straight through back to the Panda Security Cloud portal where you can access your partner center again. And now what we can see is that additional license has now been activated. As I mentioned, all pool licenses are provided in the form of license keys provided via email now. All you simply need to do is activate those licenses in your WatchGuard partner portal to pass them through to the partner center. If you log out and go back to watchguard.com, log back in again, go to the support center. Under My WatchGuard, at the bottom, you will now have a Manage Panda Products. Now that you've activated the license key through the portal, it has established a connection between the WatchGuard Support Center and the Panda Partner Center. Click on the link and it will take you straight through back to the Partner Center.